Hi, boys and girls. We are working on lesson 11, and we are on page 253, and we're trying to refine these ideas about teen numbers. First thing we're going to do is write down what are teen numbers, right? Remember that teen numbers always, always, always have 110 and at least 1 1 up to 9 ones, right? So let's write our teen numbers. So we have 11, there's 110 and 1 1. 12 has 110 and 2 ones. 13 has 110 and 3 ones. 14 has 110 and 4 ones. 15 has 110 and 5 ones. 16 has 110 and 6 ones. 17 has 110 and 7 ones. And 18 has 110 and 8 ones. And the last teen number there is 110 and 9 ones, which is 19. Okay, so we wrote our teen numbers. Thank you for writing when I write. That will help you when you get older, as you get into numbers with the hundreds and the thousands, that if you can write this evidence down, you are going to rock it when you are older and the numbers get harder. So here it says apply it. Compare. Cora has 10 cubes and 7 more cubes. Dan has 18 cubes. Who has more cubes? Why? All right, so we're going to change our color. Cora, we're going to put a C here for Cora. She has 10 cubes, so we're going to draw this out. So I want you to draw too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that's a group of 10. So let's box it in. Cora has 10 cubes and 7 more. So and is our joining word, telling me that I'm going to put those together, right? 7 more cubes. So let's draw 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. 10 plus 7. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17. That's a teen number, right? 17. So Cora has 17. Dan has 18. Let's change our color up. Dan has 18 cubes. Who has more cubes? Does Cora have more cubes or does Dan have more cubes? If we make a T graph, let's see, I'm going to make a T graph right here. First you make a T, then you make an O, O, O. 2 is written with a T and then an O, 2, 2. I can write what Cora has 17, and I can put 17 in my T graph, right? And Dan has 18. We know that they have the same amount of 10s, right? They each have 10. So now I'm not going to look at the 10s place anymore. I'm going to look at the 1s place. Which number is greater? Is 7 greater or is 8 greater? Yeah. 8 is more than 7. So that is why. So who has more? Dan has, first you make an H and then an A and then an S, and that is has. There is no Z. Dan has more. Or just like a dinosaur. Or, and then a silent E. Dan has more, period. Thank you for writing. Every time I write, you write. This allows you to learn more and be ready when you get into those bigger numbers like your bigger brothers and sisters in high school. Here it says complete each number bond. First, we have to identify the part and the whole, right? So, oh my goodness, there are 1, 2, right? What are these down here? These are our parts, right? Our parts are always going in or coming out of the whole. The parts is what we make. When we join those two parts, that's how we make our whole. So this is our whole. The whole is all of them together, right? Remember, every time I write, you write. So let's do this. A part plus a part equals the whole. And what do we know about minus? Whole minus a part equals the part. So here we have whole minus, okay? All right, and to solve our equation, we know since the first week of school, we can count on from the part we know up to the whole, right? So the part we know is, what is that part that we know right here? That part that we know is 10, and we can count on from 10 up to the whole. So put 10 in your hand and count up to 11. Ready? 10, 11. What is that other part? 1, right? And we can prove our work by drawing the whole. The whole is 11. Let's draw 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 new line, 11. So if 11 is our whole and 10 is the part, what is the other part? This is one part, right? That 1 is the other part, and all of it together is the whole or the total. And we have part plus a part. Here is our plus sign. Let's read the equation. Blank equals blank plus blank. Let's do it again. Blank equals, that's not a minus. Blank equals blank plus blank. That plus symbol tells me that I have to put a part here and I have to put a part here, and then the whole or the total goes here. So our whole was 11. Just like a puzzle, I'm going to fill that in. I have 11. And what were my parts? 10 plus 1. Now I could have put 10 plus 1, or I could have put 1 plus 10. The answer is the same no matter what you do. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Now here I have, oh look, 1, 2 parts, right? So because 2 parts or more, right? Those are coming either out of the whole or into the whole. This is a part and this is a part. And my whole is all of them together. And I know over here it says a part plus a part is a whole. So over here, let's read our equation. Blank equals blank plus blank. That tells me that this has to be a part and that has to be a part. So I'm gonna, just like a puzzle, I'm gonna take that 10 and put it next to the plus symbol, and I'm gonna take that 9 and put it next to the plus symbol. Now I could have put 10 first plus 9, or I could have put 9 first plus 10. 10 plus 9, 9 plus 10. The answer is the same no matter what you do. Mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. So I'm putting a 10 and 9 ones. Sometimes that's hard. 10 and 9 ones. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw my t-graph. If I have my t-graph, I have my 10s and my 1s. Remember, every time I write, you write. I have one group of 10. That's a 10 stick, right? That's one group of 10 and 9. 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. I'm going to count it now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I get a total of 19 for my whole, right? Yeah. I can prove 19. I can draw. If you don't have any more room, you could do this part on a whiteboard. 19, okay, I could draw my parts. So I have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10, right? And then 10 was a part, so I'll label that a part, and 9 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 ones. 9 is also a part. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is the whole. The whole is all of it together. All right, last problem, number 3 says, explain. Buzz says that this shows 14. Do you agree? Why or why not? Well, let's take 14 into a t-graph, okay? Let's write our word 10. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said T-E-N, T-E-N. 10s and 1s. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. Oh, and he keep moving. Oh, and he keep moving. Well, I'll spell number 1. So we have 10s and we have 1s. And it says the graph shows 14. So let's write 14. That's 1 10 and 4 1s. Now let's look at our picture. It says 1 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that's 10. But it only has 1, 2, 3 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13. This picture shows 13. So is 13 the same as 14? No, I do not agree. This graph does not match 14. Okay, great job today. Let's count by 2s to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20. Hop like a bunny.